Do you want to make money online? Now let me show you in this video how you can promote products the right way. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can promote products using Facebook and TikTok to make money. Now I'm going to take you step by step and guide you how this can be done. Now the very first step is make sure you pick a product that you understand. What I mean is this: if you pick a product that you know and understand, like when you're talking about the product, when you're promoting that product, you will own it, like you will have authority, like you know what you're talking about. If someone, for instance, asks you any question as regards to that product you're promoting, you'll be in a position to give clarity. You'll be in a position to talk more about the product. At the end of the day, it's all about you giving value. You cannot give value of something you don't know. So pick a product that you can comfortably talk about, a product that you can comfortably give value on, so that your audience will know that, yes, you have a better understanding of what you're promoting. When I'm talking about the product you pick, you can go to platforms like Joby, you can go to platforms like Amazon and see the range of products they have and use that as a yardstick to make up your mind the kind of product that you want to promote. Not only going to Joby and Amazon, you can also join what is called affiliate programs. For instance, you can sign up to ClickBank or Amazon affiliate programs and begin to promote their products. Now, let me quickly say what is affiliate marketing programs. Affiliate marketing is when you sign up to a platform that has an affiliate marketing program, you begin to promote their product. Now, the essence of you promoting their product is at the end, they're going to give you a commission. They're going to pay you a commission. Now, the way it works is when you sign up for an affiliate program, that platform is going to create what is called affiliate link for you. When they give you the affiliate link, you take it outside of the platform and start sharing it. Like when you get a product on the platform, you click on it using your affiliate link and you share that link. You can use that link to create content using your social media platforms. If anybody clicks on your link and buys the product, you will definitely get paid a commission because you are the one driving traffic from whichever source to the platform where the product is being sold. So consider joining affiliate marketing programs for you to earn a commission. My second step is when you have picked the product that you want to promote, now you have to create a profile on TikTok and Facebook. Remember, the topic is how to promote products using TikTok and Facebook. So if you are creating your profile on Facebook, make sure it is a business page you're creating. Another important tip that I'm going to give you here is make sure your profile picture resonates with the kind of product you are promoting. For instance, if you're into fashion, you want to start promoting fashion products, let your profile picture show fashion. Like if you want to promote ladies' wears, let your profile picture reflect that, so that when somebody sees your profile picture from afar, they will have a better understanding of what you are promoting, of the kind of product or the kind of niche you are concentrating on. So this is very important, guys. So after you have decided on the product, you have created your page, you have decided on your profile picture, the next thing is for you to start creating valuable content. Yes, I'm using the word valuable because at the end of the day, it's all about giving value to people, giving value to your audience. It's not all about just going on social media and trying to sell things to people. No, you don't sell things to people, you give them value. Now, the way you do this is let people know what that product you're marketing or you're promoting will, what it will do for them. What kind of problem will that product solve in their lives? In other words, try and find out the pain point of people and use that pain point to give value. Another way you can give value is try and post videos of what the product does. You can post videos of before and after. You can also post videos showcasing how that product can be used. You can share stories and you can share reviews. Just post videos of reviews of that particular product so that anybody that sees it will go through the reviews and know whether this is worth taking a look at or not. And guys, let me quickly say this, that the best way is try and teach people, not trying to sell to people. Teach people what that product will do, the value that that product will give to them. Don't just push the product on people's faces to sell. So the fourth step is call to action. Do not forget the call to action. Now, before call to action, you must have given enough value, right? Now, call to action is when you post your content and at the end of it, you say, oh, click on the link in my description to get the product. What you need to do is create a link that would redirect people to the platform where they can click and buy that ebook or whatever product as the case may be that you're selling, right? But before your call to action, before you start telling people, oh, click this link, go there and buy the product and all of that, make sure you have given enough value. That is the bottom line. It's all about giving value, give value and give value before call to action. So guys, my final tip is make sure you always show up. Like, you can't be promoting your product or promoting your affiliate links and you are posting once every two weeks or once every two months. No, you have to consistently show up. Yes, you have to consistently talk about the link, the product that you're promoting. That's where the algorithm would have picked that, yes, there is a product somewhere that needs to be pushed and promoted. And as much as you're pushing it, the algorithm of those platforms will keep pushing them for you as well. Now, this is where I'm going to leave it for today. If you've enjoyed this video, do not forget to follow me, subscribe to this channel. Guys, give me a subscribe. According to my analytics, majority of the people watching my videos, they are not subscribed. Please, guys, subscribe and click on the bell notification so that whenever I drop amazing videos like this, you will be notified by the algorithm. And don't forget to like, share, and let me know in the comment section as well, which of these steps are you going to try first? Let me know in the comment section. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye.